Where did you go? Where are you now? I can only hear you, but I can't see a thing. It's so bright. Sun. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Ram, living in UK. I'm trying to work it out Neo because I have Mini 4 Pro Air 3s now, and then somewhat I really like Neo because it's little one and it does a very good job. In this video, I'm trying to, as you see in the introduction, like a 4 sticky situation. Most of the situation, the Neo came out of danger by itself, by amazing technology, and the follow mode AI technology worked really well. I'm just gonna explain this in this one, because it is 169. Is if I lose it and then I have a DJI car anyway, it's not gonna be that big issue, but it's better to keep it out of danger. It's really good. This situation is nothing I can do because it is underwater, something like that. So it has to be worked by itself to get out of the situation. Here, I'm just doing a cycling, not really fast. I'm just gonna turn. It's only recording follow from the back. When I'm turning the cycle here, it's want to do the parallel shooting. I don't know why. There is no option for parallel shooting in the Neos, but it want to do the parallel shooting. And went high, it lost me obviously. Went high, looking for me, looking at the path where I went, thinking like it would go, I'll be there, and looking everywhere, and it found me amazingly. I don't have to do anything in the phone. It found me, came back to me, and just followed me. It was really good. Neo had 3 options for follow mode about distance. It has close, medium, and far. I think this one I chose medium distance. It's actually good, keeping up the distance by itself. Once again here, if you can see, I'm turning. I don't know what happened to Neo all the time when it's turning. It wants to go again, do the parallel shooting, and just a little bit of the bush, but it's alright, it's not that big. And it came out and looking at me. I'm just talking to him like a puppy, like follow me. Yeah, I think someone in the last video commented a treat Neo as a puppy. Actually, it's good as a puppy, yeah, puppy. And if you can, this one is follow a gear and all the way. This is very good park, big park, and very good for running. I usually do running and sometimes cycling, and I prefer running, to be honest. And this one is very sunny day. Obviously, it was recorded a bit longer, like in September. Not now, because you can't see the clear sky nowadays in UK. Here I just minding my own business out and just cycling. You can see in a few seconds there's someone else waiting for me. For me or for Neo, I don't know, but pretty much for Neo, I guess. And because Neo has a very loud noise, I think it's like 88 to 86 decibel, more than Avatar. I can see now some guy waiting for me. There we go. He is waiting for me, and they're trying to come and use as a chew toy. I gladly just quickly take it on my palm. Otherwise, would have been chew toy for this little one. The 4th situation. This is a big one. I took him for a walk next to canal. I should not have done that. but I just wanna see how good he is reacting. And you can see there's a good, bad, there's a mistake in a second. There we go. Side by little leaves in the tree and lost me. I went on the canal. I was
Here.
talking to him like a puppy again, asked to become to me. So it was a nightmare for me. I thought I definitely lost him because he's underwater. There is no way it's not that deep, but I can quickly walk and I can stand in the water to go and get him. But I thought I lost him because he's going everywhere looking for me, but for some reason he didn't move on his right side to look for me, only left and everywhere. But it took a while to look everywhere, and this guy's literally waiting. So one guy just flew me. It might be drowned in the canal. He was filming using his phone, and I don't have anything at the moment. As you can see, I don't have a phone. I don't have nothing. I don't have a controller either. It has to come to me by itself. Otherwise, I can't. Nothing I can do. And it found me. It went upstairs and up, and looked me, and then it got me, and it lost me again, and then got me again, and come to me. And because there's lots of trees there, still I can't come to me correctly. And then it took a while, realize, and then come to me. There we go. It came to me on my palm. It was really good. I was really impressed by the technology. There we go, guys. This is my 4 sticky situation. Video came out of danger by itself.